See, there you go. Normal snoring getting progressively louder. Then it really gets angry. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. No, bit more, bit more, bit more. There we go, he's getting angry now.
Sounds like a bear.
Everyone in the chat's like, grizzly bear?
It's
Bigfoot?
Chewbacca, come on. Chewbacca's
There
sleeping.
we go, it's really getting pissed now.
Big having a baby.
You should probably go see someone about that. That's pretty
That's
bad.
how a man snores.
Yeah, when he's molesting a bloody bear.
Me and Yogi are close friends.
But you sleep together.
No, that's... He threw a TNT stink in a bear's mouth.
Oh, now it gets really angry. Here it comes. I've not seen the chat move this fast in the last half an hour.
That's because we've been doing boring stuff. We've been like sitting around making stuff, and that's what everyone does all day long. So we're off doing a puzzle or something.
Oh God!
That is terrible. That is really terrible.
Jesus!
Oh God! I think we should stop it now. I think you should stop it now. It's getting scary.
I love that
Nearly done.
Luke's left the call.
God.
God.
Please stop it.
Okay, I'll stop it. There we go.
Oh,
So
God.
that was Martin Littlewood snoring on Skype. So it's
I feel
quite
like I'm letting
fun.
people in too much. I'll be honest.